We must ensure that every household consumes a healthy diet during the COVID-19 pandemic. This will go a long way in ensuring that our citizens, especially our youth, who currently comprise the highest number of infected patients, recover quickly if infected. To this end, the guidelines will facilitate 1. A recipe for healthy snacks. Ladies and gentlemen, in recent decades, we have dramatically changed our diets and eating habits as a result of globalization, urbanization, and income growth. We have moved from seasonal and locally produced dishes to high-calorie diets, which are high in refined starches, sugars, salts, and processed foods. Less time is spent in preparing meals at home, and consumers, especially those in urban areas such as Nairobi and Mombasa, are increasingly relying on supermarkets and fast food outlets, street food vendors, and takeaway restaurants. A combination of unhealthy diets and lifestyles that have set obesity rates soaring in Kenya today. Our food security challenge, therefore, is comprised of strategies to combat hunger and malnutrition in some part of the country, and obesity and also form of malnutrition in others. Dear Kenya, COVID-19 has called our urgent attention to the general state of our homes and especially that of our kitchens. We now call upon Kenyans to take a proactive approach in radically changing our lifestyles to adopt healthier diets. To facilitate this, the government today is launching a campaign for 1 million households to establish kitchen vegetable gardens. We have issued guidelines to support both rural and urban dwellers with simple technologies for setting up these gardens within the resources available. With the support of the county governments, we will be distributing the kitchen garden starter kits to assist the most vulnerable households who are willing to adopt this through our programs called KSAP and NARIC. KSAP stands for Kenya Climate Smart Agricultural Program, and NARIC stands for National Inclusive Growth Project across the 47 counties. So for Mombasa and Nairobi, which is not included in these counties, we are partnering with the Ministry of Interior and to distribute through the Nyumba Kumi platform, and also the Ministry of Devolution through the Social Safety Net platform. We therefore call upon the more abled household to take up this initiative and use guidelines to set up gardens upon their balconies, within their estates and their home gardens and compounds. The private sector has already made a contribution of more than 250,000 starter kits, and we want to welcome more partners to come on board as we roll out this national campaign on adoption of healthy diets. 2.